Hey, this is Comfort and welcome to my kitchen flavors. Stocks are simple and affordable to make. They add a depth of flavor and they enhance the taste of anything from soups, stews, sauces and curries, to cornmeal, flatbreads, and even rice. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a full-bodied and flavorful chicken stock on your stovetop. As always, I'm going to show you the ingredients I used to make this stock. Here I have some chicken bones which can now be purchased from any supermarket in town. In this bowl, I've got some roughly chopped carrots and onions, and you'll notice that I didn't peel either because it's not necessary. I've got some chopped celery plus their leaves. This is 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, which will help to leach out any collagen from the bones. Here I have lots of black peppers. On this plate, I have the classic aromatics, parsley stalks, sprigs of thyme, and bay leaves. And finally, I've got some olive oil in this bottle. Keep in mind that these ingredients are flexible. You can use as little or as much as you want. Also, it's a wonderful way to use up any leftover veggies from the previous shopping. Alright, I'm going to start by browning my chicken, and to do that I'm adding a tiny amount of oil to my skillet and then the chicken bones. I'm going to cook these until they have browned up bulonji, and this will give me a deeper flavored brown stock. You may choose to brown your chicken bones another way, and that's by roasting them in the oven for about 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 395 degrees Fahrenheit. So at this point, my bones have browned to my liking and I'm transferring them to a large saucepan, and then we're going to deglaze the skillet. To do that, you want to turn on the flame and add water to the skillet, then use a wooden spoon to gently rub the base of the pan like so. This is going to remove all that goodness that is stuck to the bottom of the pan, and then we're going to add it to the saucepan containing the bones. Next, you want to go ahead and add the rest of your ingredients. Next, you want to add just enough cold water to cover everything in the pot. You always want to start with cold water because as it heats up, the flavors in the ingredients will start being released into the stock. Now you just want to cover your pot and bring it to the boil of a high heat. And one of the things you're going to notice at the boiling point is foam or scum at the top. It's usually much more than what I have here, and what you want to do is take a spoon and skim off the scum like the way that you see me doing. At this point, you also want to reduce your heat and bring the stock down to a gentle simmer for the next 2 to 3 hours. And while the stock is simmering away, here is something from the beautiful Word of God for your spirit. Alright, so this is a whole 3 hours later. The stock has reduced in quantity. It has a beautiful aroma, and we're just going to remove the solids and then strain it. Oh, this looks so amazing. And at this point, I'm just going to cool the stock down, cover and refrigerate it overnight, and then I'll show you why in the morning. As you can see, the overnight refrigeration caused the fat in the stock to solidify and rise to the top. Now all you have to do is skim it off like so and use it to saute your potatoes and chicken and whatever else. Alright, the moment you're done with skimming off the fat, transfer your stock to freezer-friendly containers. If you intend it for freezing, it will keep there for up to 6 months. Otherwise, it will keep in the fridge for 3 days. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And if you learned something new in this video, then please don't forget to like and share it, and also do subscribe to enjoy more simple recipe adventures for your body and your spirit. Until my next video, God increase you. Bye.